Hi boys and girls, and welcome to lesson 1 of your online Tenoroon lesson. Before we start the lesson, just make sure that your reed is wet before you play it. Run it under a warm tap, or while you're putting your instrument together you can always put it in your mouth. This helps to soften the reed so it plays well. Remember, you need to tuck the lips under and grip the reed in between your lips. Take a nice deep breath through the mouth and hold the reed to blow. It should produce a deep squeak sound like this. Squeak the reed a few times and play some lung notes so you can get used to the breath. See if you can copy back these squeaks on your reed. Now that your reed is nicely warmed up, let's do this rhythm activity. Say the words and clap the rhythm with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step, 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 step. Stride, stride. Step, step, step. Shh. Step, step, step. Shh. Step, step, stride. Step, 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 step. Stride. Step, 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 step. Shh. Now, on your Tenoroon, using note E, which is your first finger on the front and your smarty key, you're going to play that rhythm. I'm going to count to 4 and you're going to play it with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember to keep blowing and tongue on the tip of the reed and bounce it back and forwards as quick as you can as you blow. That's what we call tonguing. Right, let's see if you can do it on note D now. So D fingers is your 2 fingers and your smarty key at the back. I'm going to count to 4 and you're going to do a nice deep breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. Finally, have a go at note C. So you need to stretch your fingers for this note. Push your fingers into the holes on the front of the Tenoroon and remember the smarty key at the back. Keep blowing and remember to keep that tongue bouncing on the tip of the reed as you blow. I'm going to count to 4. Play the rhythm with me on note C. 1, 2, 3, 4. Try and have a go on your own and pause the video and have a practice. Remember, you're using notes E's, D's and C's. Start the video again when you're ready to move on. I now have 2 pieces of music for you to look at. The first piece is called EDC March. Listen to it and see if you can follow it as it is being played. advantage of the rests. And remember to take a deep breath in through the mouth and then blow down the Tenoroon. Keep the tongue moving as you are playing. Now listen to the first 2 bars of EDC March. See if you can play that with me after 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, the second piece is called Tricky Tune. This is working on your finger coordination. Follow the music as it is being played. Practice the fingers slowly. The last 2 bars of each line I think are hard. Listen to the end of the first line. D, E, C, E, D, C. Listen to it first. See if you can play that back with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't worry if you got your fingers in a muddle, it's something to work on. Then have a look at the last 2 bars of the second line. D, C, E, D, C. Listen to it first. Now see if you can play that back with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pause the film and work on these 2 pieces. Work on them slowly and remember to repeat bits that you cannot play. When you're confident, play it back as a performance. Start the film again when you're ready to move on. This is what we have done today. Pause the film and read through what you have achieved, and I will see you next week with some new pieces.